Hi there! In this part we'll learn how to manage splash screen. A splash screen is a launch screen. It's the first screen of the app that displays whenever the application is loading. I log in an account. Here in the drawer, we don't have a log out button yet. Let's add it first. I scroll it down, and here just above a switch, we can add it. Unlike the above, we can only use a list style. So, leading element is a logout icon. And title is just logout. After hot restart, it went to login screen because we haven't managed the splash screen yet. And in the navigation system, we use push replacement named because after logging out, we mustn't able to go back to tap screen. That's all with the logout button. Now we implement splash screen. Let's create new file for splash screen. So, as the body of the scaffold, we just implement circular progress indicator in the center. Now, in the main file, as a home screen, we set the splash screen. So, let's continue. I create a function to control pages. At the moment, this function only navigated to login screen after 2 seconds. We must call the function. We call it here in the init state function. As you know, the init state is a function that is called when an object for your stateful widget is created and inserted inside the widget tree. It's basically when the entry point for the stateful widgets. 7 hot restart. So, it worked so far. Now, we need another dependency named getStorage. We use this dependency to save a user info on local storage. Here, in the value, there is a user info. Let's print user ID. Save and hot restart. Log into an account. Here you can see the user ID, and let's see it on the Firebase. We save the user ID and use it as a user token. So, get storage, .write, and here we insert the key and the value. The key is token, and the value is user ID. Using again the print function, we can check it. We log in again. And it's working. Now we finish the splash screen. Before implementing if condition, we need an object of getStorage. And in the if condition, we check the token. If it's equal to null or if it's equal to an empty string, we will navigate the page to login screen. Otherwise, if there is a user token, we will navigate it to tap screen. Now let's test it. Login again. At the time before we implementing the splash screen, when we do hot restart, it was going back to login screen. So, now it's still on the tap screen. But splash screen is not completed yet. There is one more thing we have to do. Pay attention. I log out. And if I press hot restart, now it's still in the tap screen. Do you know why this happened? If you think about removing the token while logging out, you are completely right. So, we must remove the token key after a logout. Now we test it again. Hot restart. Now it worked. That's all for Splash Screen, and we hope you enjoyed. Ta-ta for now!